Hey guys, so I'm making actually one of my favorite dishes. It's rapini with sausage or salsiccia with broccoli wrap. If you like my recipes, subscribe. We got our rapini that I just trimmed the ends and I gave it a good rinse. So you might think you have a lot, but these get all wilted and you're left with very little. So make extra. And now sausage. Dante, I got them hot, nice and picante.
Why hot?
Because I like them hot.
I don't like hot.
Good, there's more for me.
Okay.
Just a little cut, bud. So we're gonna now put them in the plate. And we're gonna take them to the stove.
Daddy?
Yeah, bud.
Is it all hot?
Yeah, I got them all hot, sorry.
Why?
They're not that hot, they just look really spicy. Salad, we're gonna put a little bit of salt. Broccoli wrap, go right in, just for about a minute. Now, we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Not too much, just a little bit. Pasta.
It looks like a duck.
Apparently it looks like a duck. Okay, I forgot some garlic. 1 second. Got some garlic, bud.
Going in the fridge.
Go in the fridge. Garlic. Once in a while you forget things.
That's true.
Garlic. We're just gonna add the sausages now. Just cook this up for probably about 3-4 minutes and then remove and saute the rapini. So just help it along.
It looks yummy.
Doesn't it?
Yep.
Too bad you won't eat any because they're too spicy.
It's too bad. Next time we do better buy
Get
sweet ones.
okay.
Dad, are you gonna take the garlic out?
Yeah, when we finish cooking it, we'll just remove it like that, okay?
Good.
They're getting nice and golden, look at that. Nice and golden. Look at that. We're gonna remove it now. We're gonna grab it.
And put it in.
A little bit of pepperoncino. A little more oil.
Why oil?
Just a little bit because we have all this rapini to cook. So I added some of the boiling water to the pan for 2 reasons. It helps deglaze all that beautiful pork fat, but also the liquid is going to help continue to cook the rapini because the rapini were just blanched for about a minute. Look how nice, look how they're cooking. So we're just going to finish cooking them until all the water has kind of evaporated. And now I'm going to add the sausages. These are done. I'm going to turn off the stove, let them rest till they cool down for about 20 minutes, and then Dante, si mangia.
Si mangia.
Ah, bravo. Okay, Dante, taste test, bud. Look how good this looks. Dante, you said you didn't want any.
Yeah, because it was too hot.
Now good, so it's all for me. Okay. So. So good. I'm glad you're not going to be eating this. This is like simple peasant food. You gotta try it, bud.
Okay.
use your hands.
Okay.
Be the beast that we love you for. You're a beast.
2 thumbs up.
All right. Good job.